I decided to chase my dreams of living on the road full-time, creating an adventure series called Tiny Home Adventure. My plan was for this to be my home for the next few years. I started by peeling off the coating on the ceiling to reuse the wood and save some money. This was a terrible idea. Lots of fumes and just left the wood sticky and unusable. I ended up tearing it all down. With my lack of experience, I thought this project would only take a few days and about $400 or $500. Ultimately, it took several months and about $4,000 to get it to where I wanted. After tearing out the ceiling, I removed some of the cabinets to create a more open feel to the bed. I installed stained pine tongue and groove, taped everything off for paint, then tore out the kitchen counter. Who else can relate to a project taking 10 times longer and costing 10 times more than expected? I painted a little blue accent wall and made a new top for the dinette. Here I'm cutting out the new kitchen countertop. Look at Booter being such a good boy. I reinstalled the cabinet doors and got started on the floor, which I used LVP. Hannah, the gal I was dating at the time, to help me reupholster the cushions. I went with a nice classic peacock pattern. I was the only one that liked the design, but I think it's pretty cool. Then I prepped the bed of my truck with some roll-on bed liner. And here she is. I think it turned out really nice in comparison to how it started. Drop a comment and let me know what you think. My plan is to live out of this for the next several years, chasing adventures and opportunities where they may come.
I just turned this old school truck camper into this, the home of my dreams. Watch as my best friend Booter and I travel the country for the next 6 months and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Welcome to the Tiny Home Adventure.